Keep walking northwest.
Hindi, OC,
Carabin,
OC.
carabin. Mount up, carabin.
Ocean na.
Ready din.
Tara,
Oh
tara,
my
tara.
Hold. We're going to hit shallow on the crown in 3, 2, 1. Shallow now.
Wait.
Roll them.
Ito, sayang.
Rolling. Q's and W's, do not enter. Hold. We need them to engage first, okay? Hold. Spread southeast. Take space.
Kaya masyadong mambay dyan.
Okay, nag-engage nila. Keep walking. Pasok, push through, boys. Push through. Okay, we're going to engage west.
Uy, engage yung west.
2, 1. Inside me now. Inside. Keep rolling. Keep rolling.
Airburn ako, pre.
Push through, boys. Push through.
Upper path.
Push through, boys. Push through. Push northwest. Pasok kayo, guys.
Pasok.
Hold on. Okay, we're going to engage on the crown in 5. Hold, defend now. Cleric now. Okay, we're going to engage inside in 5. Hold after the root one in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. On the crown now. Hit the shit. Come back southeast.
Hindi papasok yung mga healer din.
Come back southeast. Q's and W's inside you.
Tayo nga tong ano.
Come back southeast.
Yung brawler.
Stabilize here. Hold, we're going to engage in 5 seconds. Hold. Keep walking southeast. Hold. Ready, defend. Okay, we're going to engage inside us in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is big. Inside. Hit the shit. Keep rolling. Look for lows, boys. He's in the middle. I'm gonna mark healers. Keep rolling. Demon now. Okay, eyes on crown. We're going to engage
Engaging.
inside. Okay,
Engaging.
upper pass. Okay, we're going to hit in the middle in 5, 4. Hold. After the root one. 3, 2, 1. In the middle now. Big clap, boys. Hit the shit. Here's on Yanni. We have 3 healers now. Keep rolling. Spread.
We need to fight, I think.
Look for lows. Push north, boys. Push north. Stop nyo, guys. We're going. Hold on. Ready, defend now. We're going to engage inside us in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside.
Walang mana.
Spread now. Out.
Oh my god. Ba't ganun? Di pa pumapasok?
Ewan ko. Walang nakakahit.
Sinabi ng pulis ko.
Walang nakakahit na.
Wala na skill, lumabas ko pa skill, tapos na.
Bakit ba? Yung castle open pa.
Castle agad yun nabuhay. Saan nyo?
Everyone, gear, come to castle now. They will still
Nagigigpats ako. Hindi pala ako nakagigpats, bobo.
Need ko mag-heal yun. Hindi ko makakasurvive sa guardian.
Di ako makamata.
You were playing that like you were playing it like kite club, boys. You were playing it kite club. Nagsa southeast kayo dapat.
Thank you, Lord.
Mas marami tayo sa kanila, dapat na-overwhelm. Dapat sila yung lalabas sa outpost pag ganun.
Hindi din, na fake ka. Hindi naman nag-engage sa southwest eh. Nung nagpa-walk-in ka, naklamp yung southwest mo dahil pinapot.
Yun yung ano.
Laki.
May clerical, may gigapats.
Hindi, kasi sabi mo nag-engage na. So, hindi prepared yung southwest na, yun nga, may skill issue pa rin ng southwest, di sila nag-clerical kung may clerical man sila.
Di ba may hinit? Di ba nag-hit sila? May
Hindi sila
hinit.
nag-hit, fake yun.
Airburn ako doon, di ako di ako
Di,
nakakahit
ano yun? Alam ko nag-full engage yun dun eh.
Alam
Ay,
ko
alam ko eh.
sa amin.
Hindi.
Push through ako eh.
Nakapaglaro ng maayos yung mga healer nila, hindi na didistract.
Pero yung engage sa southwest, yun yung, almost half ata yun nandun namatay. Tapos wala ka ng DPS, club ka pa ng Hindi ko alam, wala naman damage.
Oo nga, wala kang damage. No one was hitting my club.
Open ka na ba yung castle?
Everything is dead.
Yes, open ang castle.
Opening ako castle.
Challenge.
May blab sila ba yan?
Open yun.
Kala nyo naman talaga.
Kali rin ako doon.
Putang ina. Tingin ko IP diff 8.3 pumatay sa akin. Albert.
Anong guild?
Challenge.
6.3 sa akin.
Gucci talaga yan, boss. 7-3 pumatay sa akin.